In less than 1 week, ChatGPT achieved what took Twitter 2 years and Facebook 1 year to achieve, and Snapchat spent 12 months to cross the milestone. ChatGPT grossed over 1 million users in under a week, and that is groundbreaking. For context, ChatGPT did that in just 5 days. This AI tool is going to change our lives forever. AI is becoming more popular, and it's safe to say ChatGPT is a destructive tool you don't want to miss out on. You may still be unfamiliar with ChatGPT. It's a conversational AI language module developed by OpenAI, the same company that created the GPT-3 language model. GPT-3 stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer that learns human language in a complex manner, such as to produce human-like content through its deep learning process. Welcome to Technistic. Today we'll be looking at ways ChatGPT will help out with your basic daily tasks and make your life easier and more fun in what you do. ChatGPT is a really cool AI bot that can create a really awesome natural content for you. So basically, what we're going to do here today is showing you a couple of examples of the capabilities of the AI. ChatGPT is a conversational AI model created by OpenAI. As a sibling model to GPT-3, it is trained to interact in a conversational manner and provide detailed responses to user input. This makes it possible for users to have natural, human-like conversations with the AI. ChatGPT is similar to GPT-3, but it is designed to be more conversational. While GPT-3 is a powerful language model that can generate human-like content, it is not designed for interactive conversation. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is specifically trained to respond to user input in a way that mimics human conversation. One of the key features of ChatGPT is its ability to answer follow-up questions, admit mistakes, challenge incorrect premises, and reject inappropriate requests. This makes it possible for users to have more engaging and dynamic conversations with the AI. For example, if a user asks a question and the AI provides an incorrect response, the user can follow up and ask the AI to explain its reasoning or to provide a different answer. Another unique aspect of ChatGPT is that it is currently free to use. While many AI tools and services require users to pay a subscription fee or purchase a license, ChatGPT is currently in a testing phase and is available to use at no cost as at the time of creating this video. This makes it a valuable resource for anyone interested in exploring the capabilities of conversational AI. All you need to do is head on to chat.openai.com to register for a free account and start making use of the AI tool now. One of the main uses of ChatGPT is to explain complex concepts and subjects. By simply typing a question or topic into the AI, users can receive a detailed explanation from the AI. For example, a user could ask ChatGPT to explain the concept of quantum mechanics, and the AI would provide a comprehensive explanation of the topic. This can be a valuable resource for anyone looking to learn about a specific subject or concept. All you need is type in the complex concepts and tell the AI to simplify it in a way of your choosing. In addition to its ability to explain complex concepts, ChatGPT can also be used like a traditional AI copywriter to generate content. By providing the AI with a prompt or topic, users can generate titles, introductions, and other written content. This can be a useful tool for anyone looking to generate ideas for blog posts, articles, or other written works. So say goodbye to writer's block and staring at a blank white screen. Another interesting aspect of ChatGPT is its ability to write in different voices and styles. By providing the AI with specific instructions, users can have the AI generate content in a specific voice or style. For example, a user could ask ChatGPT to write a paragraph in the voice of a young child, and the AI would generate content that mimics the language and style of a child. This can be a useful tool for anyone looking to experiment with different writing styles, and it writes in the specific style and voice of the specified person or character. ChatGPT can also be used to create dialogue for stories and scripts. By providing the AI with information about the characters and setting of a story, users can generate realistic dialogue that can be used in a variety of creative projects. This can be a valuable resource for writers, filmmakers, and other creative professionals. In addition to its ability to generate written content, ChatGPT can also be used for language translation. By providing the AI with a piece of text in one language, users can have the AI generate a translation of the text in a different language. This can be a useful tool for anyone looking to communicate with individuals who speak a different language. Overall, ChatGPT is a powerful and versatile AI tool that has the potential to be a disruptor in the AI copywriting market. With its ability to engage in human-like conversation, generate written content, and perform language translation, ChatGPT offers a wide range of capabilities that can run complex tasks and unthinkable feats to make your life easier. This is a great time to be alive with this groundbreaking AI. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful or informative. If you did, please hit the share and like buttons and consider subscribing to our channel. We post new videos every week and we would love to have you as part of our community. By subscribing, you will be notified every time we release a new video, so you won't miss out on any of our content. Plus, your support helps us create more videos like this one and continue to provide valuable information to our viewers. So, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and join us on this journey. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one where we'll analyze the technical uses of ChatGPT for complex operations like coding, website creation, debugging, and many more. See you around.